Today in this video, I'm going to show you what I did to my hair because this is not my hair. These are new and improved, innovative, silicone-based weft clip-in extensions, okay? So I have these clip-ins and they match my own natural hair perfectly and they lay super flat. And this video, I'm going to tell you all about it because you need to see this. So first things first, I'm going to prepare my own hair, and this is how much hair I'm gonna leave out. I have a little bit of hair in the middle. It's like a V shape, and just a tad bit of leave out on the sides, okay? I prefer a little bit of leave out on the side because I want to do a half up, half down hairstyle later on, so I need to have some leave out there. But if you want, you can totally skip that part, okay? You can just have your leave out in the middle or have a side part or anything. So yeah, that's why I'm doing this, right? But you can totally skip this. And the rest of my hair is super easy, super messy. I'm just gonna put my hair in some very messy braids. I really don't care because you're not gonna see this anyway, so it doesn't even have to be neat or anything. Always when I apply clip-ins in my hair, I have braids underneath them, and the braids are always messy and weird and stuff, but you don't see it, so we don't care, right? And I washed my hair. I just made sure my hair was super moisturized because this is like a protective hairstyle. I want my hair to be healthy underneath this hairstyle. So I received a package from Curlsqueen and they sent me their hair, of course, and some goodies as well, such as a detangler and also this super cute bonnet, which comes in handy. This is like a silk bonnet, dual-sided with adjustable strap and some extra clips. And this is the hair. Super full. I was like in shock with how full and how long it actually is. So these are 26 inches coarse kinky blowout clip-in extensions, and this is one pack, so one bundle, and this will cover my whole head. And you can see how voluminous and thick it is, but girl, actually this is very lightweight and it flows very nice and super soft. So that's something that I really like. So this is actually not your usual clip-in extensions that you see, you know, with the weft and some clips attached. This is their upgraded invisible seamless weft clip-in extensions. So it has a silicone based weft, which is suitable for thin, medium and thick natural hair, and it lays more flat than usual than your typical classic weft, right? And it's invisible and it's very comfortable. This lays really flat and it makes the process so much more easy and it looks super natural. So I'm finished with installing all the tracks, and here I'm just unraveling my hair. I didn't even blow dry my hair. I should have blown dry my hair, but honestly my hair was a bit stretched, so it matched the texture. But if I blow dry my hair, it would even be better. But as you can see, it's really effortless. It doesn't take a lot of time. This is just after I detangled my own hair together with the clip-in extensions to make it blend. See, girl, it's nice, right? It's super natural. So I'm going to do a quick style because I don't want to leave the hair like this. You could, but I want to give it a little some. You know, I want to wand curl this hair to create a super glamorous look, kind of. So that's what I'm doing, and the hair curls really nicely. And it holds the curl. That's super important for me. But what I also did after I curled the hair, I sprayed a bit of hairspray in it to make it last even longer. But other than that, this hair performed very well with heat. Okay, so you can curl this hair, you can straighten this hair, you can do whatever you want. You can even dye this hair. This hair has amazing quality. It feels super strong, minimal shedding, no breakage at all. So you can literally do what you want with it. Okay, style number 1 is done, and I'm still amazed on how lightweight this hair is. Like, you would think that kinky blowout 26-inch clip-ins are super heavy, but this is not heavy at all. It feels very nice. It feels very airy, and that's what I like. So I'm gonna do a second style. I'm gonna do like a half up, half down hairstyle to see how that looks, and I'm just going to make sure that you cannot see any tracks or anything, and then I'm going to blend the leave out with the clip-in extensions again a little bit to make it super natural. And that's it. It literally took me 5 minutes to create this hairstyle. And style number 2 is done. You can literally create anything that you want with this hair because it's super versatile. So definitely check out the links in my description box. It will direct you to the hair that I'm wearing now. And if you have any questions, girl, let me know in the comment section. And I hope you liked this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.